entertainment and pop culture. For example, if you're hearing a comedy for the very first time, you enjoy it, you like it. If you hear that comedy three, four, five times, you don't really enjoy it again. Yes, is that like trend pranks? You see a prank the first time, you be wow. The second and the third time, you not really be wow again. Do you understand the point now? Yes, engage on trending topics. I said trending topics. Prank. This very part is not very. You see how the first prank was? You know it's a prank, and if you see it again, you're not really moved like the first time. Do you understand now? Although it attracts a lot of persons that all want to be entertained, but people that are into this niche need to always come up with new thing every day. But El Nightingale's made his recording when I was not born, 1930s, 1960s, 1970s. We are still listening to the same one today. Do you understand now? But by the time you go into entertainment and pop culture, now you are going to have a large audience, but you need to always be entertaining them all the time. Like the very video Emanuela made, "This is not my real face." You remember that was the one of the first video he came up with. Now, if you're watching that video today, you are not going to watch the video at the first time or as their new videos. Their new videos are highly trending. So that's why these people are bringing out videos every day. Like Markangel is bringing or coming with these videos every week. Do you understand now? But Jim Rohn made videos long time ago, and those videos are trending and are still up to now. Now let me say something about Evergreen. Evergreen does not grow fast. They don't blow. Please listen to this part. Evergreen contents don't blow. News-based content, trending content blow. What do I mean by blow? Now, if you want something that you're just going to blow one time and make much money at once, then entertainment and pop culture is very good. You're going to blow very fast. But you know that anything that blow does not last. You understand? You come down, except you keep producing new content. So I am saying this. So I want you to understand that if you want something that the video you're making this year, people will still watch it 10 years from now, 20 years from now, and still enjoy it and still come back and watch it. They watch it 3, 4, 5 times. You need to go for evergreen content. But if you want something that you're just going to blow one time, then entertainment and trending is the best niche. Do you understand now? I believe that part is clear. So let's go in back to the 10 niches I showed you earlier so that you can see the difference. Now, entertainment and pop culture is not evergreen because you need to always be showing new things.